This is Kirsten Neese here for your weekly Tuesdays at 2. Today I am up in Spring Creek community in Zion Crossroads, just east of Charlottesville, Virginia. I have Hugh Jones, our sales manager, with me today.
Hi there.
We're going to talk a little bit about what's going on up here. So let me turn this camera around and get you guys started. So Hugh, tell us a little bit about what's going on at these beautiful buildings behind you.
Well, we have been open now for a little over a month. We had our grand opening during the Charlottesville Parade of Homes. We've sold 2 homes since our grand opening. Behind us here, we've got lots 17 and 18, 15 and 16. 15 and 17 are Madisons that have been sold. We have the 2 Laurels on lots 16 and 18 that are still available. 18 is pretty much spec'd out with some really nice options. 16, there's still time to make some selections and changes if you like. That's not too far along. 18 will be ready in December, and 16 will be ready in January.
Well, my gosh, they really do look fantastic. I just love all the beautiful accent colors on this first building here next to the model homes. And like you said, that first building, right? So the home on the right with the front porch?
Yes, that's our Laurel model. That's available in December, should be done in December, ready for delivery. And then the other one is lot 15 with the other front porch over there. That will be available in January.
Fantastic. And I see, so the first building has drywall, and maybe have the cabinets been installed yet?
They're not installed yet. They are on their way, but it's fully drywall. They're painting now. Both of these. You can probably see in the garage that number 17 has already been painted. They're still painting number 18 here. And 15 and 16, the rough ends have been completed, and we're just waiting for a pre-drywall inspection.
That's fantastic. So Hugh, I hear there's an incentive going on up here. Tell me a little bit more about that.
Yes, we do have an incentive currently. It is running for a limited time. We're currently offering up to $7,000. $6,000 of that goes towards your options and upgrades, and then $1,000 goes towards your closing cost, provided you use one of our concierge lenders and our title company.
That sounds fabulous. That's definitely reason to come out here.
It certainly is. There aren't many incentives being offered right now.
So what else is coming along here? I hear there's a new plan.
We have a new plan. Yes, the Nelson. Great plan, 2257 square feet. Pretty much the same footprint as what we currently have. 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths. Main level living with your owner's suite on the first floor. Big loft upstairs. Great kitchen, a walk-in pantry. A little bit bigger garage than the others. Just a really nice plan. We are starting, we're going to start building one actually. Lots 1 and 2 are our next specs that are coming online. And lot 2 will be a Nelson. Lot 1 will be a Madison.
So that's exciting. So we took some feedback from some of our homeowners and visitors in the first few months here open at Spring Creek.
Yes.
and made some great adjustments to the Laurel to allow for the Nelson to come to life. So that's just fantastic. It's so exciting.
So we listened to the customers. These are brand new plans we've not built before. So it's been somewhat of a trial and error, and we took feedback from the customers, and the Nelson came to be.
That's awesome. Well, I know everybody will be excited to see that come to life. And if they wanted to see more or learn more about that, what's the best way to do that?
Go to our website, cornerstonehomes.net. Click on where you want to live, go to Charlottesville, and Spring Creek pops up. And there you can see floor plans, virtual tours. We also have great video, all aerials of the Spring Creek community itself.
And how do they get in touch with you, Hugh?
They can call me directly at 434-260-6520, or you can email me, hjones@cornerstonehomes.net.
Yeah, start the new year off well with a brand new home.
That's right.
And a brand new lifestyle here at Spring Creek. Thanks so much, everybody. Have a great afternoon.
Yes, great afternoon, everybody.